Hello everyone. In last class, we discussed and we derived equation for the rate constant of zero order reaction. Now in this lecture, I am going to derive equation for rate constant of a first order reaction. Dear students, already we discussed zero order reaction and we derived rate constant for the zero order reaction. Now we are going to derive rate constant for a first order reaction. So now look here, what is first order reaction? For a first order reaction, rate of reaction is directly proportional to first power of the concentration of reactants. So now look at, consider the reaction R gives P. We know rate equal to minus dR by dt. That is the first equation. That is the rate expression. At the same time, rate equal to K into R power 1. Second equation, that is the rate equation. From 1 and 2, rate equal to minus dR by dt equal to K into R. So dr by R equal to minus K into dt. Look here. Here dr by dt, just I am sending this minus. I am sending this minus to this side. So dr by dt equal to minus K dt. Now we are going to integrate. Integrating on both sides. That means we have to apply the integral symbol now. This is the integration. Integral dr by R equal to minus K integral dt. So before solving integration, we should know about the formula. Integral dr by R. So look at the formula. Integral dx by x equal to ln x and integral dt by integral dt equal to t. Here again, this integral dx by x equal to ln x. So ln means, ln is nothing but a log, but what is the base? E. Ln equal to log base E. It is a log, but base is E. So ln x. So similarly dr by R. So x and x is here, so you are getting ln x. Similarly R and R is there, so what you will get? Ln R. Here integral dt equal to t. T is there, so you are getting t. Here also integral dt equal to t. So now look at the solution. Ln R. Look at the solution. Yes, ln R. Why you are getting ln R? Because integral dr by R equal to ln R. Because according to this formula, integral dx by x equal to ln x. Don't get confused. Just be comfortable here. So equal to minus k is the constant, and integral dt equal to t. Just I have substituted here, plus I, where I is the constant of integration. You will study in your mathematics. Already we have studied in case of the zero order reaction. Next, look at t equal to 0, the concentration of the reactant R equal to R naught. R naught equal to initial concentration of the reactant. Same point already we studied in case of zero order reaction. At t is 0, R equal to R naught. Now, so when t equal to 0, what about the r equal to r naught? So when t equal to 0, that means if t equal to 0, this whole term becomes 0. Whole term becomes 0. At the same time, r becomes r naught. R naught. So ln r naught equal to minus k into 0 plus I. Why you are getting r naught? Because when t equal to 0, when t equal to 0, concentration of the reactant r is equal to r naught. So here 0, if you put t equal to 0, it should be r naught. So minus k into 0, total whole term should be 0. So finally I equal to ln r naught. Focus on the steps. Yes, देखिए ln r naught equal to I. This is the equation 4. Now look at the equation third one. Already I is present in equation 3. Already we got I equal to ln r naught in equation 4. So just substitute equation 4 in equation 3. We will get one more equation. We will get one more equation. So that is ln r equal to minus kt plus ln r naught. ln r naught. So we have derived finally. Now comparing with y equal to mx plus c, y equal to mx plus c, then we will get one graph here. So here ln r is taken on y-axis and time is taken on x-axis. Then what is your intercept? ln r naught. So we will see in next slide. Yes, this is the graph, a plot between ln r and t for a first order reaction. This graph is very important, dear students. Look here, a plot between ln r and t is drawn. Then what is the slope value? So then slope equal to minus k, slope equal to minus k, or k equal to minus slope. Very important graph. Have a look on the graph. Graph is very important. Next, examples. Some examples for first order reaction. First one, hydrogenation of ethene is an example of first order reaction. Reaction is given below. C2H2 plus H2 gives rise to C2H6, rate equal to K into C2H4. Second example, all natural and artificial radioactive decay of unstable nuclei take place. Reaction is given. Decomposition of N2O5 and N2O are first order reactions. All these are examples for the first order reactions. Just try to remember any one of the reactions for CBSE exams. Students, finally we have entered very important and main topic of the first order reaction. In this one we will see different types of reaction, different types of equations, arrangements. So 95% of numerical problems regarding first order reactions depend on those equations only. So have a look. So now look at equation 5. ln r equal to minus kt plus ln r naught. Already we have seen in earlier case. Just now we are going to rearrange the equation 5. So rearrange. kt equal to, what I am doing here, just I am sending minus kt into that side. So minus kt becomes plus kt equal to ln r naught. Otherwise, wait a minute. Yes, I am sending this one to this side, minus kt to this side. It becomes plus kt, and send ln r to this side. So then kt equal to ln r naught minus ln r. Okay, now I hope that you know the formula. Ln a minus ln b equal to ln means log base e, ln a by b. This is the formula. Means log a minus log b equal to log a by b. This is the formula. By using this formula, ln r naught minus ln r can be written as ln r naught by r. ln r naught by r. So now again, in next step, it will be k equal to, here we are sending t into that side, k equal to 1 by t ln r naught by r. Students, this is very important formula. You can put many stars. This is very important formula. K equal to 1 by t ln r naught by r. It equal to 1 by t ln r naught equal to, we write in a by a minus x. Already you saw in the previous zero order reaction, r naught is equal to a and r is equal to a minus x. So k equal to 1 by t ln r naught by r equal to 1 by t ln a by a minus x. Please, you have to by heart. There is no alternate. You have to by heart. It is very important formula in first order reaction. Most of the numericals should be solved by using this formula. Okay, students. Now this is the ln. I have been using ln. Ln is a log, but whatever the logs we use generally, those logs having the base 10. That means generally we use this type of logs, log 10, but ln means log e. So now we are going to convert this ln into log. What will happen? Now we will see. Yes, now we are going to convert a ln into the log. That means log base e is converted into log base 10. So k equal to 2.303. K equal to 2.303 by t log r naught by r. So this is one more formula again. Next, again I am rearranging the formula. Then we will get again one more formula, ln r naught by r equal to k by 2.303 into t, y equal to mx plus c. Now look at the graph. This graph is very important. This is our slope, k by 2.303 for log r naught by r. But very important, if ln r naught by r, if it is present ln r naught by r, then what is our slope? Only k. K is the only slope. Two cases are there. In terms of ln is one case, This is one case, this is second case. What is the difference? Here no 2.303, but in this case, second case, 2.303 is present. When 2.303 is present, automatically you have to use log. So ln equal to 2.303 into log in general sense. So now look at the graph. Look at the graph, dear students. Yes, this is the graph. Log r naught by r and time. What is the slope? Look at the graph. This is very important question. Slope equal to k by 2.303. When k by 2.303, when log is taken, but if you take ln in place of log, if you take ln in place of log, then your what about your slope? Your slope should be k. Your slope should be only k. Okay, so all steps are present here. Please again try to watch 2 or 3 times, then only you can understand very easily. Very simple mathematical steps only. One integration formula is there, 1 or 2 formulas are there. Those formulas are new for you. Very simple formulas. Okay students, I hope that you have understood. Thank you for watching my video. Summary: 2 equations for rate constant have been written here. So dear friends, try to remember those formulae for solving numericals regarding first order reaction. Thank you.